Welcome to today's daily global financial market update, your comprehensive summary of international financial indices, asset performances, and economic developments. Today, markets around the world demonstrated notable volatility as major central bank announcements, corporate earnings releases, and shifting macroeconomic indicators influenced investor sentiment. Across North America, Europe, and Asia, traders are reassessing growth forecasts and monetary policy directions. We will break down today's major indices, commodities, and digital asset movements to highlight emerging capital rotation trends, sectoral performance, and potential growth industries for the coming trading sessions. In the United States, equity markets experienced active trading sessions as major tech earnings and interest rate discussions took center stage. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite adjusted to earnings reports and tech sector momentum, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average showed resilient interest. Notably, today's top global gainer was the Gold Futures Index, which led the growth side with a solid rise of plus 1.86%. Investors continue to monitor Treasury yields and inflation indicators for clues regarding the Federal Reserve's next interest rate actions. Across the Atlantic, European equity markets showed a mixture of performance today. The United Kingdom's FTSE 100 and Germany's DAX navigated manufacturing headwinds and geopolitical discussions, while France's CAC 40 saw selective buying in consumer and luxury goods. Industrial output and consumer spending data are emerging as key indicators of economic health, even as ongoing inflation concerns remain a prominent headwind. Market analysts suggest that stabilizing energy costs could provide a supportive tailwind for industrial sectors, though broader economic momentum remains cautious. Turning our attention to Asian markets, we observed a mixed trading session across the major financial hubs. Japan's Nikkei 225, India's Nifty 50, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index reacted dynamically to regional currency fluctuations, export demand shifts, and domestic economic policies. The Asian region continues to serve as a vital pillar for emerging global growth, with significant infrastructure investment and rapid technological adoption driving market activity. Emerging markets in the region are drawing foreign capital, showing strong potential in manufacturing and semiconductor industries. In the commodities and debt markets, we saw key adjustments today as global risk sentiment shifted. Gold futures traded actively, serving as a key safe haven asset amidst geopolitical uncertainty and inflationary pressures. Crude oil prices fluctuated in response to supply adjustments from OPEC and changing demand forecasts in major consumer nations. Meanwhile, the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury yield adjusted, reflecting investors' evolving expectations of long-term economic growth and future interest rate trajectories. These moves highlight the critical interplay between raw materials and global credit conditions. In digital assets and foreign exchange, major developments unfolded as the cryptocurrency sector and currency markets reacted to macroeconomic policies. Bitcoin and Ethereum experienced notable trading activity, reflecting fluctuations in retail interest and institutional capital flows. In the foreign exchange market, the euro versus the United States dollar trading pair, or euro to US dollar, showed active price action as traders weighed the comparative monetary stances of the European Central Bank and the Federal Reserve. Foreign exchange stability remains key for multinational corporations navigating currency fluctuations. In conclusion, today's global market data highlights significant growth opportunities in high-impact industries such as renewable energy, advanced technology, and logistics. As sectors rotate, staying informed on international developments remains essential for successful investing. Thank you for tuning in to today's daily global financial market update. Please make sure to do your own research, verify all financial sources before making investment decisions, and subscribe to our channel for daily global market updates, technical analyses, and financial news wrap-ups.